Today, Leo and I are we're picking up 2 mini bikes and a 3-wheeler. 200cc 3-wheeler. Not a cool one, but it's there. It's 3-wheeler. But this is for Gabe. Mine. Cabins. Today I'm also going to be working on this for finally getting that exhaust back sensor in and seeing if I can actually make some pissi. So, and then this is going on soon. It's going to be a stack. Once I get my flatbed on here, putting that on, going to get a nice stack.
Not the muffler.
Not the muffler. Fuck the muffler. That's off the fucked off Dodge. We don't have anymore. That I traded for that thing. I wish I had the Dodge instead of that thing. This is from the 6.0. Look at all the particulates in there. It's supposed to be liquidy. It had coolant in it.
Or no.
No, it's a coolant filter.
Oh.
But the coolant filter, as you saw, had a lot of filament inside. It's replaced. And I bought a new one when I had one already sitting in the truck. So that was a nice wasted 35 bucks. But now I have an extra. Alright, now we're gonna check something out on Leo's shitbox. What?
You sound like lifters?
It's hot. Sounds healthier than it did. That's for sure. That's saying a lot.
Check some of this shit before I started the truck. I'm a G-nut. I'm a fucking G-nut. Ah, shit's gonna be pressure. It's gonna be fun.
It's not gonna be that pressurized. He didn't get up to temp. Where did that?
I don't like that. I need coolant.
Again.
I seriously can't get my finger to touch it.
Well, I have coolant.
I have some.
Yes.
Right there.
You're lucky I accidentally overfilled my truck. And the coolant loss that I had when I put the filter on was the filter filling. And it usually holds about a quart.
Mm.
You're pretty low on oil. Here's your extended rife.
Extended rife. Anti-freeze.
What color is yours?
Black.
No, I mean like coolant.
Black.
Oh. Okay, well I guess it doesn't matter. Pink and boom boom. Alright, so Leo doesn't know, but I'm about to gift him some old diesel oil. But he needs oil. So oil's oil at this point with his vehicle because, yeah, well, don't tell him it's 10 for me.
Oh!
So his truck calls for 540. And that's, sorry, 520. That's 1040, so it's legit double. Nothing?
Then
Nothing?
40.
Nothing? Oh yeah! I spilled a little bit. But nobody can get mad at that because it's very minimal. Very minimal. Look at that. Nothing leaking.
Also, if you need transmission, you
don't need add oil.
Sure. It's pretty low enough.
Well, usually when it's on the tip, it's a quart low. A quart to 2 quarts, so you might need to add a little bit more. Not much. You gotta get it nice and wet. Ooh, moist.
Oh, okay.
Dude, your oil is black.
Not even 3 months ago.
Oh my god,
So
dude.
that's because I didn't change all the fucking spark plugs and coil packs yet.
Yeah, I know.
So it's just running gas into the system.
We only did half.
Not even all on one side. No, we only did 2 on the front. No, 3 on this side.
And then 1 on this side.
1 on that side.
We did still half. Still half. I got that.
Misjudged.
Oh.
Wait, I'm sorry.
We.
What do you want?
What?
So we'll see him in a bit. Like I said, she's not a happy camper. Hi.
Wow. Look at the detail. Wow. Do 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 do. Do do do. White wheel. Well, we just got access to 2 mini bikes and a 3-wheeler.
I'm not even checking if there's oil in this bitch.
I would, because we have to rebuild it.
I'm gonna assume we already have.
This is the 3-wheeler. It's a 200, so it's a little cooler than nothing.
God damn.
And it's a Honda.
That bitch is.
You're just on a compression stroke.
Every time?
Yes. They're 1 cylinder. I know what your problem is. Ain't got no gas in it.
What the fuck are you?
Completely dry.
Oh, great. And I don't got a can of gas.
Neither do I. I really like that angle. Mm.
Wow. That one's called Little Red.
God
The
damn
Little
it.
Red Minibikes, and then the other one.
Well, their new names are.
Oh, I didn't even show them how we're gonna be getting it up. The 3-wheeler is gonna have to go up this.
Pieces.
Is she in neutral?
Yes.
Yes. Kind of just waiting until he asks me for help.
Are y'all just gonna stand there with your dicks in your hands? Or are you gonna help me?
There's the question.
I say fuck these ramps. We might even have a better chance of me and you deadlifting it and putting it up there.
Probably.
What do
I think we can get it going full power. Doesn't look like it needs very much. What are you doing? Do you think you want to use my heavier duty strap?
Do you think it'd matter?
A little bit.
You know, I was just gonna try and pull the strap. That's actually smarter. Treasures!
Treasures!
Yeah, twosies! We need the twosies. But we have a good idea. We know what we're doing now. We could probably do it with all of them.
Steel, baby! Hold it tight. Get it around, ship. Preserve nature. Always wear a helmet. Ride safely. Read owner's manual carefully before riding. No. We're special.
It will be.
Even they agree, and they don't even know it. Could what?
It could have worked for me as well in that last moment.
Oh, when me trying to explain where to put it?
Yeah, come and dingleberry. Alright, hold up.
Hold on.
You're good now.
God.
How does that keep happening? No, don't. Is it the winch?
It's the hitch a winch.
The hitch.
I can't buckle it anymore, so now we're just doing this by manpower here.
Oh. Hold up.
Damn, that tire's fucking.
Ladder and shit.
Yeah, it's a little.
It worked. That was almost my
Yeah, I'm pretty sure I caught that.
Okay, now I gotta quit. Power forward.
That would have hurt.
Yeah.
There's no chain or fucking clutch
Yeah,
on
that one is completely fucked.
Oh, you got stuck in my wiener.
Oh.
Why? Big my song.
Do we want to go backward or just?
Just fucking send it in. Who wants to go with? Wait. Oh yeah, plastic cover.
Turn the wheel.
Close
Turn
the
the
tailgate.
Turn the wheel that way.
Turn it sideways.
To the right.
You're gonna have to push hard. It's enough to get the tailgate close, I think.
Nope. Nice.
That's all we'll need.
Ah. Strapping me.
I'll strap you.
You do have gas.
I haven't got your hand, not gas.
Are you tight over there?
Yeah, I'm tight. Shut the hell up.
Alright, actually do that. Pull it. How about now? Better?
It's all in that bike suspension is where it's coming from. And you can't lock it.
One more?
Oh, sorry.
Now imagine this, but in the bed of an A9 Ranger. With a 200 for Yamaha 4-wheeler. Instead of a 3-wheeler. Yeah. That was fucking questionable. That was questionable, trust. Because one of the mini bikes was sitting on the wheel well, basically hanging outside of the bed. Me. No, you stay with me. Are they taking surprise?
so. Sounds like they're going inside killing things. Meth head activities. Cloquet edition.
What? Leo, put him
Rex.
back.
No.
Leo,
No.
put him back.
Why do you need a blick?
To throw at protesters.
Like you go to protests.
Like you do anything. This guy doesn't even drive to Minneapolis. He didn't want to pick me up in Minneapolis.
I did. I did get you though.
After I begged him for an hour. Almost.
For an hour?
Not even.
It was like 30 minutes. I was like, dude, please.
The difference
Please,
is huge.
Oh,
In
not
30
much.
in 30 minutes, you can fuck a bitch. In an hour, you can fuck a bitch and make dinner.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna take a seat in an old Pepsi machine. Give us Pepsi.
Got one there.
Oh man, no Pepsi?
No Pepsi.
I want Pepsi.
Wheelie, bro.
Nobody has to know.
Oh my fuck. Okay, tilt it that way now.
Why'd you get those?
One, because they're cool bricks.
My
I'm proud of my bricks, thank you very much.
camera's being weird. Hold on.
And we can make a little helm if we wanted to. Because these are clay bricks.
That one at least rolls. Why? Don't throw it.
I just didn't want it to land on me.
Well, I mean, it's missing half its fucking engine. Shit. I think I like that frame better. Dibs on that one.
Okay.
Watch this one be easier and better to work on.
No, this one's completely fucking...
No, they're all ours. We'll share them.
It almost... That's not a compression stroke. I don't think.
No. You hear how hard it's hitting?
I think you blew it up.
Or it's piston hit slapping valve.
Where's the oil?
Well, we would be able to check right here. Yeah, he snapped.
Yep.
Oh no, this is not the valve. This is a push rod. For the valve, that is. Look at that. Bro.
This is a gear.
Look at that.
Look, hey.
This is a valve. This was the valve stem.
Okay,
Push
so this
rod.
is the camshaft. The camshaft flywheel is fucking plastic.
Yep, that's common. This thing's.
So I
Yeah,
get
so this one is
getting a predator
immediately.
immediately.
Just
Well,
fuck.
As soon as I get, as soon as we get. My,
Look at that. That's the fucking. That's the bottom of the rod. Or piston rod.
Yeah. See that part.
That's the crank.
See this part here, people? That's not supposed to be like that. And
Your
because
hand's in the way.
if you get underneath under there, you can see that the clamp on it has sheared off on one side.
Clamp.
Clamp. What is the mechanical term for it? For the part that holds the piston to the
The rod.
the rod.
We could keep this as a souvenir for these dumbass.
Or this one could sit outside behind the shed, given that.
No, I don't want anything outside.
Okay. Because I think it will start. I don't know if it'll move.
I don't remember the last, like
'Cause
how it was
had
last.
so many issues. So we got it. And the whole reason I want to beat the fuck out of it is because the rear axle is bent. Put some oil in it. And it turns a lot fucking easier now. Because my wheeler's 200. It doesn't take that much force. on
Something's
the
dripping.
Well, I mean, I did spill a little. Oh, compression stroke.
Is it semi-auto? No, it's a clutch.
That, however, is bad. That is dripping.
Yeah.
You know when you say something's dripping, you usually say from where?
Well,
It just started.
There's no fuel line.
This just started.
It's either, I think, is that the overflow for the carb?
Mm-hmm.
Well, there goes all our fucking gas. Say that.
On the frame. Right there.
Okay, how do we want to... We want to roll the front tire off and let it skid down on the ass end? I think that's kind of our best bet.
I think I have an idea. That was a lot more. That was a lot less. That was anticlimactic.
I didn't want to dash a wee bit.
what's in the magic goodie box?
Yeah, you wanna know how I tested to see if the diesel on that can was diesel? Because I couldn't smell where the shit. I poured it on my bed. Here's the
That's my
taillight.
mom's paint scraper.
Here's the taillight.
Have some respect. This is a 1984 Honda.
That's beat to the absolute fuck.
It's getting fixed.
Fair. After we beat the fuck out of it some more.
Because you know what? We could put a 300
Oh my fucking bag.
stretch.
Hey, here you go.
Stretch. Hey, look, the wall. I was gonna get one of these sets today.
Hey, look, another one. You can have all the tools in here.
I'll get a tool bag and you can.
There's a bunch of random ass fucking socks that I don't see you fitting on this thing. That's the Darwin Award. I think that was neutral, right? Yeah.
Yeah, dude, fifth is neutral?
It's a weird shift pattern. That fucking flat tire is killing me. Oh, harder, Daddy. Not actually.
Not actually.
Fifth.
No. Ooh, what do we have working in there?
It sounds funny, but my back's already hurting at the idea.
It won't be just one person.
Leo sucks toes.
I do not suck toes, thank you very much.
I beg to differ. I think there's
I will
evidence.
kick you in your spot.
Oh,
This
my
steel toe.
spot!
Okay, maybe that wasn't. I can't remember the way for these fucking kill switches on these things. That's how much the... Oh, there we go. No, that's not... There we go. Oh, fuck it. It's mine! Wait, hang on, ladies and gentlemen. There we go.
Okay.
Oh!
Do you see what I'm talking about now?
Yeah. Technical difficulty, guys. Our other phone, our iPhone, our main record phone, is dead. And once we got home, once we got back here, we immediately started making content again, so we didn't charge the phone, so we're using a backup phone. These will probably be back burner projects for now. The main projects we have and main content we have for right now are
Trucks.
the trucks.
Drift cars.
Mainly
Drift
the trucks. Mainly the trucks we're going to be working on, and then once we get those going,
My boat.
and once we check that over,
I'm
then
getting
we'll
a-
get on these.
I got a free boat from.
Free?
Really decent one.
Yeah, I got a free boat and trailer from my. Are you recording?
Yeah.
From my coworker at work. Duh.
Fairly decent one from what it sounds like too.
Nice.
It's all right. It needs a little bit of work,
All both do.
but what's some fiberglass and we don't even need to reupholster. Like, who gives a fuck about that shit? I just want to be able to go fast, and it's got a. I found out it's a 5-cylinder engine. I thought it was a V8 boat, but we could put a V8 boat or V8 in the boat because there's a lot of LS motors out there that are marine boats, or I mean marine engines, and they're all hydro sealed, so that would be fun. Shupa dupa. Down Lake Superior.
Right?